left at the fork.
Keep left at the fork. The fork if you don't keep left.
Continue on I-95 south for 6 miles.
Hey, so tonight is date night. Open the visor so that you get the light from the visor. Yeah. So tonight, guys, is a date night, and we're heading to Miami Beach. And just wanted to give you a little update. You have to scoot over a little bit, see, so you're in the camera. Joe, burns me fear, you know.
Yeah, we're out here in these streets. It feels so nice.
Cause we're not gonna win.
It feels so weird.
We're not gonna win.
We don't really hit the road at night.
And then we go as a family, so you know the couple thing not really, fit in. But this time we said, what the easy for cheesy? We're gonna do this. Yes. So we're heading to Miami Beach, and I'll keep you posted. You understand? It's just so easy to be home instead of just getting up and doing something. We sometimes just get so used to it. Yeah, so we're going to Rouge, and our good friend is a cabaret singer there, and so we're going to check it out. Right now we're in Miami Beach off 71st Street, and so yeah, if we can't show them, if we can't show them, I'm gonna get left.
Our night, okay? And so you guys will come back and visit us on a Wednesday. Any Wednesday you choose. Just pick once a month, it's quite fun. Give thanks. So we hope you are enjoying yourselves this far. And if you need anything, please let Manuel know, and he will make sure that you are good. Give thanks. This time we move
Yep.
must take the A train to go to
So this is the garden, guys, at Rouge, and it's awesome. We've been enjoying the music. Our girl Lavie has been doing it. Let me give you a wide angle. And this is the garden at Rouge on any given night. You know, hopefully my lighting is not that bad. You can all get to participate, yeah? So if you're in Miami Beach, you can check out Rouge Hanging Garden. They got grapes and it's just awesome. So what's your view of the place?
The ambience is good. I love it. I love the live music and thing. I wasn't ready for the meal.
You wasn't ready for the meal?
No, I was not ready for the meal.
Oh, she ordered Spanish mackerel and something. Yeah. We'll talk about it a little bit more in the car.
Yeah, I'll tell you about that because I was not ready. But I would come just for the vibe. The vibe is... Ambiance is everything for me. I don't really care about nothing else.
So she likes the vibe, guys. She likes the vibe. Let me see if I can come in another picture here. Yeah, so... It's been awesome. It's nice to be out, you know, with the wife. And
is this like a grapevine?
It is actually a grapevine.
Awesome.
And it's actually great. Yeah, it's a little bit on the humid side outside here, so I'm not gonna stay out here. But overall, it's nice. It's been nice.
It's a French-inspired restaurant.
Yeah, it's a French bistro type of thing. That's why I have the decorations and the different stuff. Then, but may I tell you guys. Nice. It's good to get out. That's what it is. It's good to get out. That's the most important thing. Alright? Yeah, man. Posing. One piece of posing. Go on, man. Go on. Go on. Can you well at that pose? Which day you pose, you know? All right, let's go. You want more pictures? So turn around.
Oh, those are headshots.
But do you want foot shot or hand shot? She don't have no sense, yeah? Hey, I what do we say? It's just a beautiful spot. Now, a lot of people not here now, but yeah. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. For what you can see, it's quite worth it to come hang at Rouge. The prices are a little bit upscale. And then, you know, again, guys, because most of the menu items I can make myself, it's always a little bit tricky for me to, you know, be going out and paying, you know, a certain amount of something. But it's not about the food, it's about the ambience. And that's why, you know, at date night, you have to just do what you have to do. Yeah? So this is it, guys. Rouge in Miami Beach. Beautiful. Awesome. Awesome. My review is that it is a great place to hang out, especially if you have a loved one that you want to spend time with. It is an awesome place to hang out. All right, so I 100% recommend it for a date night. And the Wednesday nights, my girl is singing, so you can definitely come and participate in that. Rouge in Miami Beach.
The colors of speaking. I'm gonna go and play hide and seek. I'm gonna go run down the street. Just stop you and I are just like a couple of tongues. make me feel so young. You make me feel there are songs to be sung, bells to be rung, and a wonderful feeling to be flown. And even when I'm old and gray, I'm gonna feel the way I do today, because you make me feel so young.
So it was a wonderful night, and we are still in Miami Beach. You see me tell you, I need to get my lights, you know. I need to get my lights because my phone needs the light.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lavie. Lavie. Life.
Yes, life. Love life. Life, love. So we're going to the car now and go back at the boring yard.
Kiar.
Yeah, Kiar. Jamaicans say Kiar.
Go watch a show.
We're going to watch a show. And it's been an awesome evening. Beautiful music. Oh, they got Thai and sushi over here, son.
I ain't never been in there.
I wonder if it's bow tie.
Look kind of good.
Eh?
Oh no. Oh shoot, did I? Oh yeah.
So it's been an awesome evening, guys. And we are heading home. Yeah. And
Bye guys. Alright, good night.
bye babes, love you.
Love you guys. I love you.
And the wifey enjoyed herself. And she had this thing named Spanish mackerel. Lord, me tell her about it. Whoever going in car, go tell her about the Spanish mackerel. Because the Spanish mackerel was one piece of something. One piece of something. Spanish mackerel, my foot. One big slice of mackerel fish.
So tell me why when we get little light on my face, we can't forget Jamaican for that. With the light. Tell me why when restaurant expensive, the food served on a big old plate with one little tubs of food on the plate, mega stuff. I ordered Spanish mackerel. This big old plate came with a little, literally a sardine looking thing in the middle of the plate with a bunch of tomatoes around it and onions. And the thing was ice cold. And I don't mean cold as in it was heated and then it got cold. It was like served
cold,
fridge cold. Like,
yeah.
I don't know if that's a French practice because
That's
it was a French.
That's the way they do it over here.
Fancy thing.
Are you want fanciness?
I don't know about the fancy thing. I want the regular brown stew fish thing.
We went to it was like a French bistro type of vibes, as you saw. And the decor was awesome. I liked the fact that it felt like a study. It felt like you were in a little house. Yes. You know, it was really good in that regard. But food-wise, guys, I'm always struggling when I go out. I didn't even eat nothing because I'm not gonna go to a restaurant and order the same thing that I know I can do this at home. That's not the same thing I would typically see anywhere else, though, to be honest with you. And it actually was very nice. It tastes like the sauce that they had on it. It was like an excavate sauce. It was very vinegary. Right. Tangy. Right. And I enjoyed it, and I dipped the tough bread in. She had the I think it was like a bruschetta type of thing. There's a pizza place. I don't know if you want to get pizza for Josh. We're supposed to get him something. When we go further up on Collins Avenue. We're on Collins Avenue, guys. So this is literally South Beach? Yeah, this is South Beach. We're at 72nd Street right now. So where's like the hip strip? I don't see anybody. It's on the further down, way back that side, way down. Remember now we're at 72nd and South Beach goes all the way down to 5th Street to 1st Street or whatever. And this is Collins Avenue. Collins Avenue is across on the Intercoastal, and we're heading north on Collins Avenue. And what me a twang? Hey. And one piece of twang in my pan. By the way, the people that know you're Jamaican. Oh. Of course them know say me is Jamaican, but see me is the Jamaican comedian Sendtohope. Remember I told you. There's a diner here that's open all night. There's another place. There's food places left, right, and center of us. It's just parking is atrocious over here. And yeah. I think I want to get him like a burger or something nice. Burger at 11:30? Yeah. That boy enough for post on him the burger. He'll be alright. He's younger. Him young? Well, I need to eat one burger too, but Lord, if me ever eat that my belly would I never stop. You know, guys, when you get to be our age, and I'm not saying that to say that we're extremely old, but we are past the threshold. But we are past the trendy age. You almost have nothing that is conducive to our lifestyle or choices. You know, the decisions that we have made, you know, in terms of faith and practice and you know, all of that. There's almost nothing. And some people will see us, for instance, we share a glass of wine, or she had a apple tea and I had a Manhattan. And people will say, oh, I don't drink, I'm not Christian. To be honest, I was looking forward to doing some dancing. I thought it was like a dancey vibe. But you could have gotten up and danced, you know. That's one thing with it was not really that type of music. Yeah, because we had to, you know, and it was mainly jazz, as you heard. Right. You know, but you know what? It was a good first date. It was a good so many people don't think that a first date. Not first date, but we're married 19 years. It cannot be a first date. What I mean is a good date. Date for a little while, for a long time. We're not go on a date. It was a good little date, you know. We look forward to the after date. But honestly, every date not supposed to end with you know, like the mediocrities and the expected endings. But it was nice to have been out with the wife and to enjoy company, adult company, and just to drive out.
with Lavie.
I'm meeting up with Lavie. And
yeah.
Lavie is an awesome singer here in South Florida. She does cabaret. She has been featured on the Jazz in the Garden, which is a premier program in the city of Miami Gardens, and it features really big, you know, performers, and she has been featured on it for 2 years in a row. Her voice is amazing. Her vibe, you know, her name means life, and she exudes life. She's just an awesome person to be around, and it was a pleasure for us to go and participate in her cabaret show. And if you are in South Florida, if you are in my local area, check out Rouge. You can Google the address. I probably try to put the address in the description box. Yeah. So, once again, it's Discovering Hope. Yardie belly.
Discovering Hope's -1.
And the wifey. And, you know, like, share, subscribe, comment. Do everything. Yeah? If you really like the video, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Any gesture is appreciated.
Follow me on Instagram.
Follow me on Instagram, Jamaican comedian sendtohope, and Candy Air Creation. And she's a beautiful lady. And 19 years ago she said yes, and I'm happy. I feel it. Hey, listen, live and laugh.
Cook and eat.
Cook and eat.
Yardie belly says so.
Peace.